Okay, so Elizabeth, you just had surgery how recently?
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago, okay. And can you tell me a little bit about how you were feeling before the surgery?
Well, I've had numerous surgeries in the past and never thought it was a big deal, but for some reason this time I was just terrified beyond terrified and just didn't think I could even do it. I was so scared. And heard about the headphones and thought, well, I'm going to give that a try. And it turned out to be just an incredible difference from what I'd been through before, because of course, as having had surgery before, I knew what to expect. And when I was in pre-op, I put them on immediately and had no problem from the doctor or the anesthesiologist. They had no questions. And just listened to music, and I couldn't hear anything they were saying. I couldn't hear the noises. It was like watching a movie. It was just kind of a almost like a surreal event. I was like just kind of off in La La Land, just watching. Oh, I'm having surgery, all set to music. And then when they wheeled me into the actual OR, which is usually kind of a point of panic when they move you to the other table and all of that. Again, that was just all set to music, and I felt like I was watching a movie or something, and it wasn't even really me. There was no fear, there was no terror, there was no second thoughts or gripping of fists or anything.
Right.
I just got moved to the other table, and they put the anesthesia mask over my face, and the next thing I knew, it was over.
Wow.
So it was an incredibly different experience than I've ever had with surgeries. And as I said, I was terrified of this one.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. But it was very different.
Oh, it
Would
was
you,
very different.
let me ask you this, what did you think of the music?
Oh, I loved it. It's very perfect in terms of rhythm and just the soothing type of music that it is. Of course, it's instrumental, which is so you aren't thinking about words or
Right.
anything. And it's just again, it's like the scene background music in a movie. You're just listening to this soothing, nice tempo music,
Okay.
and
Would you recommend it to other people who were having
oh,
surgery?
absolutely, absolutely.
And would you use it again if you had to have
Absolutely,
surgery?
absolutely. It made all the difference in the world.
Well, thank you so much. I appreciate your time and glad you had such a wonderful experience. And hopefully you won't have to have surgery again. And what was your surgery?
I had a knee replacement.
Okay. Well, thanks again,
Well,
Elizabeth.
thank you. It was